Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage? I have been talking recently about none of the charity shops have had radio controlled cars in them for ages, well, months. Well, today every charity shop I went in had got a radio controlled car, and all at the right price, and none of them with controllers. So this is actually three different shops. That was the first one. That one caught my eye. Well, because it was £1. BMW X4 does say that's somewhere in there, probably out of focus. Sorry, Z4, and not X4. 2.4 gigahertz, so virtually no chance of getting a match to it, although I will try. But I thought that would be a handy one for doing a receiver swap, just to demonstrate that you can buy one of these and put the receiver from a different toy car in it so you can get it to run if it's your favourite car. I did consider buying one of these many years ago because I quite like the shape of them, but I never got round to it. Not really the sort of thing that I need to have to drive around in. Oh, the important thing with this one was when I looked inside it, it looked like it had got furry dice hanging from the windscreen, but it wasn't. It was a little spider's nest in there. So I cleaned that out. Anyway, we'll give that one a try in a minute, see if I can get a match to it. Next shop was these two. This was Bernardo's, £1 each. This one, it feels like the battery's probably gone funny in it. In fact, we could just have a quick look. Feels like it's bulging a little bit, as if the battery's gone. Oh no, it's just popped out. Doesn't actually say what frequency this one is. Ooh, well, that's a good start. Got batteries in it. Good batteries. We'll just try a 2.27. Has that got batteries in it? Yeah, that's got batteries in it. So not responding to that one. How about a 40? Nope, not responding to that one. I'm guessing it's probably a 2.4. Let's try our luck. I've got a couple of 2.4s I bought the other day. Nope. And that one. It's not doing anything. I'm sure that one worked the other day when I pressed that button. There we go. Nope, not responding to that one. Okay. We will have a look at these in a bit more detail. This is just the charity shop gold or garbage video where we just have a look what I've been wasting my money on. Bugatti, £1. It's got a few bits broken off it. It's not in perfect condition. There should be some sort of bit under the back here that's broken off. 27 megahertz, so that one's got possibilities. Except it's in the on position, so the batteries are probably flat. Doesn't want to come off. Oh, there we go. Ah, got no batteries in it. Okay. We'll give it 3 extra good batteries. On. Need to check this one, don't we? Should be okay. Just double check different batteries. Oh yes, so that one batteries are flat. So we've got a worker. Put that one down. Just give that one another try. Which way was on? That way's on. Yes, working now. So it was batteries in the controller was no good. So that's 2 working 27 megahertz. Controlling the one on the floor, which you can't see. Right. Turn that one off again. I was just wondering which way the steering went. Oh, the steering's the right way round as well. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's got lights. No rear lights. It's got front lights. Oh, brilliant. So that's 2 good ones. Turn that one off again. Take the batteries back out. All right, that one. That one says 27 megahertz. No batteries. Porsche 918 Spider. 1/24th scale. I have a bigger one of these. Is it still under the table? No, I'll put it away. I'll put a link to it. One at about 10th scale, I think. Okay, does that one work? Yes. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting to get so many successes, but that's the thing. 27 megahertz, you've got a good chance that a random controller will control a 27 megahertz toy. Oh, I must remember the mirror for that is in my bag because it had fallen off, but I found it. Right, what have we got left? I'll make sure we turn that one back off again, take the batteries back out of it. Right, this one, 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, they look a little bit suspect. We'll put 3 in that we know are good. These ones are lithium ion, but they've got a little circuit board inside them that limits them to 1.5 volts. Because lithium ion is 3.7 volts, which would give you about 12 volts in there and totally blow it up if they were unregulated. Right, that's on. I don't expect to get a match, but if you don't try, you're not going to find out. Nah, no surprise. I do have a box full of 2.4 gigahertz controllers, but unless they're made by the same manufacturer, your chances of them matching a random car are nil. So this is one that we can swap the receiver on. And no, the others were all 27 megahertz, weren't they? Oh no, not that one. That was the one that caught my eye originally, and that's the one that we've got nothing going with. On some of these, it's top and right to get them to bind. And on some of them, it's just move it and it binds. So that's not doing it. Oh, batteries. That's better. So we got 2 there for receiver swaps and 3 workers for under £5. So that one works. That one's a bit faster. Yeah, so that one works. And finally, the Bugatti. Whoa. That was a bit faster than I expected. So I would say that, not that I'm interested in the speed, but that's the fastest out of the lot. That was the next one. And that one was the slowest. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.